Standard form of an equation, I can graph equations from standard form. Standard form of an equation means that x and y are on the same side of the equal sign. Okay? They're on the same side. So we're starting here with 3x plus 2y equals negative 9. This is the same side. So this is what we would consider to be standard form. The x-intercept occurs when the y value is 0. Therefore, we substitute 0 in place of y. We know 2 times 0 is 0, so this is gone. We can solve for x by undoing the multiplication and dividing by 3. X equals negative 3. Our x-intercept value is negative 3. And the coordinate, the ordered pair, is negative 3, 0. We put that right on the x-axis. We do the same procedure with the y-intercept. The y-intercept has an x-coordinate of 0. So we put a 0 here. 3 times 0 is 0, so this is gone. We solve for y, undoing the multiplication, dividing by 2 on both sides, and y equals negative 4.5. So our y-intercept has an ordered pair or a coordinate of 0, negative 4.5. And we put that right on our graph where it belongs. We then use our straight edge and we draw a line with arrows on both ends going through both the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So let's do one more. Our equation, negative 2x plus 4y equals negative 10. We want to find the x-intercept. We know that y is 0 and 4 times 0 is 0. So this is gone. We solve for x by dividing both sides of the equation by negative 2. X is equal to positive 5. My coordinate value is 5, 0. We're going to take the same procedures for the y-intercept. The y-intercept, we know that the x value is 0, so 2 times 0 is 0. This is gone. We divide both sides of the equation by 4, and we get a y-intercept of negative 2.5. So our coordinate, or our y-point, so our y-intercept coordinate is 0, negative 2.5. We plot our point. We use a straight edge. We draw our line, we put our arrows on the end, and we're good. This question's asking us to rewrite in slope-intercept form. This is standard form because they're on the same side. We want to change it to slope-intercept form, which is our y equals mx plus b form. So we want it to be y equals. So we have our equation of 3x plus 2y equals negative 9. We want to get the y by itself. We start by subtracting the term minus 3x from both sides. The 3x's here cancel. We keep the 2y. We keep the equal sign. And we place the negative 3x in front of the negative 9 because they are not like terms, and you cannot actually subtract them. We undo the multiplication, dividing each term by 2, and we write our final equation, y equals negative 3 over 2x minus 9 over 2. One more example, getting this into slope-intercept form. This time the 2x is negative, so we are going to add the 2x to both sides. The 2x's cancel. We have a 4y equals 2x minus 10. Squeezing that 2x in between the equal sign and the minus 10. We have to divide each piece by 4. Each term gets a division by 4. We're left with y is equal to, well, 2 over 4 is equivalent to 1 over 2. X minus 10 over 4 is equivalent to 5 over 2. And we have gone to slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b form. This time they've given us an equation in slope-intercept form. It is in y equals mx plus b form now. We want to move it to standard form so that the x and the y are on the same side of the equation. The best place to start is to get rid of the fraction. And to clear a fraction, you multiply every term by the denominator of the fraction. So we're going to multiply every term by the number 3. Every term by 3 times 3 times 3. That's a times 3, not an exponent, times 3. 3 times y is 3y. 3 times 2/3 x is 2x, because your denominators cancel. And 3 times -2 is -6. We now need this 2x to be in the very front of the equation. It needs to move to this position. So it is positive 2x right now. We undo positive by subtraction, and we write our new equation in standard form. -2x positive 3y equals -6. Very quickly, sometimes they will change this -2 to a positive, and if we do change that to positive, it does look like 2x minus 3y equals positive 6, because they would have changed every sign and not just the first sign.